Let us see the difference between RDW-CV and RDW-SD, which is found on CBC. Red cell distribution with coefficient of variation and the red cell distributions with standard deviation. Which one is more sensitive? Which one is recommended for clinical practice? Red cell distribution width is a blade test that measures the variation in the size and the volume of your red blood cell. This is part of standard complete blood count that helps diagnose various conditions such as nutritional deficiency, other health issues like heart disease, diabetes, malignancy. Elevated RDW indicates that there is a greater difference in red blood cell sizes than normal, while a low RDW means the red blood cells are unusually similar in size, which is often not a cause for concern. The normal red cell distribution width is between 12 to 14. RDW-SD measures the absolute range of red blood cell volumes, while RDW-CV is a relative measure calculated as a percentage of the mean corpuscular volume. So RDW-SD is considered more accurate in reflecting overall size variation for anisocytosis because it is not influenced by MCV, whereas RDW-CV can be misleading, especially in conditions like microcytosis or macrocytosis. So red cell distribution with coefficient of variation or RDW-CV, which is a relative measure calculated as one standard deviation of red blood cell divided by the MCV, then multiplied by 100. The variation in red blood cell size relative to the average size. So it is inversely proportional to MCV, meaning it can be misleading in conditions with unusual small or large red blood cell. The other is RDW-SD or red cell distribution with standard deviation, which is an absolute measure representing the width of the red blood cell volume distribution curve at its 20% high level. The overall range of red blood cell volumes providing a broader view of size variation than RDW-CV. So this one is not affected by MCV. It's not influenced by the mean corpuscular volume. So the key difference is RDW-SD captures more of the red blood cell volume distribution beyond the plus or minus 1 standard deviation range, providing a more complete picture of cell size heterogeneity. So RDW-SD is more reliable indicator of anisocytosis or variation in red blood cell size because it is not affected by alteration in MCV. So in clinical use, RDW-SD is often preferred for its greater sensitivity in identifying certain conditions such as iron deficiency, where RDW-CV might provide less information. Thank you for watching.